Colin predicted whether he got answers right or wrong in his 50-question exam. Colin identified the 9 questions he thought he got wrong. It turns out that Colin got 7 questions right that he thought he got wrong. Colin also got a total score in the test of 45 out of 50. What is the percentage accuracy? Okay, so again, let's just start from the beginning and fill in what we can on our way. So, Colin predicted whether he got answers right or wrong in his 50-question exam. Colin identified the 9 questions he thought he got wrong. So 9 questions he thought he got wrong, so he predicted they were wrong. It turns out that Colin got 7 questions right that he thought he got wrong. So he got 7 questions right, which means of the ones that he thought he got wrong, he must have got 2 wrong. Colin got a total score in the test of 45 out of 50. So a total score. So those are the ones that he's got correct. So I'm just going to put a star next to the facts that say he got them correct. So these 2 that I've put a star next to, that's his total score. They need to come to his total score. And his total score was 45. So we've got 7 already, plus something else, the other star, must equal 45. So 45 take away 7 is 38. So now we need to start filling in some other things. So remember what each of the branches, the pairs of branches, so for example, these 2 here must add up to this one here. These 2 here must add up to the total, and we haven't wrote the total down yet, but it's a total of 50. So let's just put that there. There's a total of 50. So if he predicted he got 9 wrong, how many did he predict that he got correct? So 50 take away 9 is 41. So he actually got 38 correct. How many did he get actually wrong? So 41 take away 38, which is 3. Okay, so we've filled in our tree, and it says what is the percentage accuracy Colin had with predicting his scores. So we have to look at when Colin was actually accurate. So let's just highlight where he was accurate. So when he predicted he got them correct, he actually got them correct at 38. And when he predicted he got them wrong, he actually got them wrong 2. So in total, that's 38 add 2, which is 40. And it's 40 out of the total 50 marks. Now I need to turn that into a percentage. To turn into a percentage, I need to make the bottom, the denominator, 100%. So I'm timesing by 2 here, timesing by 2 here, which is 80. So he was actually 80% correct, 80% accurate.